Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are going to see how to add servers in your Eclipse IDE. So first let's download a Tomcat server. So let's go to a Google Chrome browser. Then just write Tomcat server. In the first link you will get all the releases of the servers. Today we are going to download this one 9.0.50. So just click on download and download the zip file, the first one here. You can see here it's downloading. Let's wait for some time. Now here you can see it's downloaded. So let's go to the download section where this file is present. So you can see we got this zip file of Tomcat. You just need to extract these files. Okay, and you can see we got a folder here. Now you just need to uh, add this location in the Eclipse. So let's go to Eclipse. In Eclipse, in the bottom section, you will get this server tab, in which you just need to click on this link. Let's just maximize it. Now you need to find Apache. In the Apache you need to select this 9.0 because we are using 9.0.50. Just click on next, and here it will ask you the directory. So just browse and go to the download section. Inside this you should select this folder inside the Apache Tomcat. Select this and click on finish. Now you can see we got a server here. Let's see this server is working or not. To check that, let's create a dynamic web project. Give name demo. Finish. Now here we got the demo project. Inside the demo project, inside this source, and in that source, inside the main folder, in web app, let's create a HTML file index.html. Now you can see we got a HTML file. In this let's write something. Let's write h1 tab. Welcome to sorry welcome to TechBot. Save this. Now you just need to run this. So to run it, we need to right click on the project and then run as run on server. So it will ask which server. So we need to select this one. Always use this server, and let's say finish. Now you can see here server is starting. Here we got an error. So it says that this port is already in use. So you just need to change this. So double click on this server and just change this. Let's say I am changing to 8007. Save this and let's run this project again. You can see the server is starting and we got the output. You can see that this index.html is displayed on this internal browser. If you want to display it on the other browser, just go to the Windows section, web browser, and select whichever you want. Let's say Chrome, and let's run this project again. Now you can see we got this output.